Hello, hello, hello. What's up, fellas? What's up, ladies? What's going on, beautiful people of the United States of America, around the world? This is Bitcoin Calvin over here, just going over some Bitcoin price action. What is going on with Bitcoin? What is happening? Things are going crazy. Lots of things are happening. It's very exciting to be in the space. If you like this channel, please click the like and subscribe button. We're growing by the day, by the week. We're pretty small, but we're eventually looking to get over 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, hopefully even more. So please, guys, if you want more information like this, more relevant content, and to be kept up on crypto, DeFi news, and investment and stuff like that, definitely click the like and subscribe button. You'll definitely be able to see that. So, without further ado, guys, I'm going to be giving you guys kind of a story and a rundown what's been happening for the past month and a half or so, couple months, right? So, honestly, don't mind all these lines. I'm going to take them out, honestly, because it scares people. And those are lines from past dates, guys. Don't get confused. So, you know, we don't need these other lines right now that are on the screen. But anyways, I'm going to be explaining to you guys my bias, my opinion, and giving you guys what I think the price action of Bitcoin will be at. Giving you guys another crypto call. I haven't released a Cali crypto call on my podcast for about, I would say, over a month now. I would say maybe even a few. I've been super busy, but honestly, I know you guys like it, so might as well bring it over here on YouTube. So, guys, do have the podcast link in my channel, so you guys can check that out too if you guys want to listen to me. If you're working out or in the morning or listening, or reading, I don't know, wherever you want to do. So check it out. Anyways, they're Bitcoin right now. We've seen it, guys, reach all-time higher highs since last month, right? So we've seen it reach 65,000, close to 64,000. And so if we look at the date here, right, we're looking at all the way from April 21st, right? 64,000, almost 65,000, right? Ever since there, guys, we've seen a huge drop, right? So it looks like literally a symmetrical outlining of the higher highs, right, that Bitcoin already hit. But now we've seen a reversal ever since mid to late April. Bitcoin crashing down all the way to 51,000, all the way to 48, 47,000, right? And it was still, and you can say, traders and investors, and they were profiting at that time too, but obviously you have to know what you're doing, right? Not a lot of people could trade in that environment, right? And nobody knew if it was going to go higher, right? Uh, and to be honest, I even said that, hey, Bitcoin's going to go higher, and I still believe Bitcoin will go higher. It's just looking like a reversal right now, like a huge reversal in the market where it already hit all-time highs. Now it's looking to reverse back down to 47,000, right? So look, so if you really look, guys, look at the 50 EMA. It hits 64,000, almost 65, drops back down, right? Drops back down to 51, right? And that was just like in a matter of 2, 3 days, right? April 17th, 2, 3 days. April 14th was the high. April 17th was the low, 52,000. Then it goes back up. Okay, yeah, we're still getting excited. Maybe Bitcoin will go back up. Okay, boom. April 20th, a lot of you guys, 420 guys, were probably excited. A lot of you guys were having fun. Probably went to Hemfest. Probably did your thing. And hey, that's what's up. But at that point, Bitcoin was about 58,000, right? So, but and I remember at that point I was like, I still think Bitcoin's going to go up, right? Um, then it drops down all the way to 47,000, right? Okay, that's a little, scary, right? Crypto market, and you got to understand, guys, it is volatile, right? Bitcoin does go back up from by the end of April, right, all the way back up to 59,000, right, all the way back up to 59,000 by the beginning of May, right? So it does make a climb, right, but then it does make a crash. So honestly, my prediction, my bias is pretty much, or what I speculate on is pretty much that uh, there's going to be more sell-off. Okay, Bitcoin is making lower lows now. If you can see, it's going up. It's making retracements of faking out, going back up, acting like it's going to. Sorry about that, guys. If you can see, acting like Bitcoin had so many times. If you look, guys, look at the way I'm looking, listening to what I'm saying. If you see, Bitcoin had so many times to explode. Bitcoin literally from April all the way till now, that's 2 months, more than 2 months, all the way to explode past 65,000. It has not done so at all. It has dropped. It has acted like it was going to explode, but then dropped again. Acted like it was going to explode, dropped again. Acted like it was going to explode and dropped. And I believe it's going to continue to drop, right, at a fair price. Because when you're looking at an asset, guys, Bitcoin, and especially as a digital, as having the use this as a digital currency, that's still a lot of money for most people. And wherever country you're coming from, $30,000 is still a lot of money, right? And sometimes you can invest in real estate for even less than 30,000, right? So I believe, yeah, Bitcoin will probably be at a fair price. Do I think it's going to drop down to 1,000? Um, I don't think so. Maybe it could, but I still think in the long run, Bitcoin will uh, be valued more than $100,000 or 200,000. But for now, where we're speaking, in the summer of 2021, we are seeing a sell off. I think we're seeing a correction in the market of making Bitcoin a fair price, making the blockchain ecosystem fair price. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin, it's going to influence Bitcoin too, right? So there's lots of things that go behind that, right? I go more into that, guys. I don't want to go into that now. I'm going to nerd out, and I don't want to nerd out on you guys right now. So if you guys want to check that out on my podcast. But that's what I believe it's happening right now. So, um, you know, that if you look at where we're at, I think again the fair price I believe Bitcoin could be at is 10,000. Right? I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin drops to 10,000. If Bitcoin drops to 10,000, I wouldn't be surprised. That's a pretty fair price for Bitcoin. Um, Even if it's not 10, between 10 and 20,000, I think that'd be a fair price. That's still kind of expensive. Again, most people weren't even buying Bitcoin at that price, even when I was screaming at the top of my lungs back in 2019. But I think, yes, the fair price would make sense. I think it would definitely ease up a lot of tension. Definitely more adoption would be uh, would be encouraged and would be actually executed. So a lot of good things. But that is what I believe is happening. And I was looking at other, altcoins like Litecoin and Ethereum. So obviously, you guys know um, whatever Bitcoin price action is, usually the altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin, right? So you guys got to just be careful of that. Just be very wary. So if Bitcoin is dropping, you'll see your favorite altcoins start to drop, and it's really exciting, right? So we're seeing actually fair price come into play. So it actually makes it more accessible. So be smart. I'm definitely I'm gonna be buying up. I'm gonna be buying up my favorite altcoins as well, and you know I think you guys should as well too. Uh, it's going to be an amazing time. Obviously, crypto is obviously an amazing time. Lots of DeFi projects coming out, lots of blockchain execution, lots of money just floating, guys. It's crazy. Billions of dollars in loans just floating, guys. It's nuts, man. And if you guys aren't in the game, you guys better be in the game right now because this shit's crazy. But if anything, guys, I'm gonna see you guys soon. I'll check you guys out. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon in the next one. All right.